Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday, February 21st of 2019. And for today, a couple of announcements. I want to send a big thank you to all the teachers and staff that helped out with McTeacher Night last night. So we did a great job, and I really appreciate all the hard work that you guys did after it was rescheduled to be there yesterday. So thank you very much for doing that. So we did raise a good amount of money, so then we'll get a final total out to everybody probably by the end of the day today. If you're participating in Young Rembrandts, that is happening after school today. And for our February birthdays, we have Trinity Davis and Kaylee Morin. So happy birthday to both of you. Hope you have a great day. For our lunch choices today, we have popcorn chicken bowl, cheeseburger, or ham and cheese sandwich. And kind of continuing the theme that was started yesterday with focusing on things with kindness, I have another short video today about why to be kind.
To be kind is to acknowledge other people and make them feel good.
Being kind to me means to be caring or to respect other people.
It means to be kind, to be generous. Let's say if someone dropped their sandwich, you should help them out.
It's important to be nice to other people so that they feel that they have a part in the community, that somebody cares for them.
You don't know where they're coming from, what struggles they're having.
If you be nice, it gives you a magical life. If you're not nice to other people, they might be mean to you. If you're not nice, maybe they don't want to play with you. You won't have any friends. The other person can feel bad, and then they're uncomfortable.
I mean, why would you want to pick on someone else? Because they might be different from you, or different race, you might come from a different place.
Even if someone's different from you, you shouldn't bully them or be mean to them.
How is it gonna benefit you to making them feel bad?
If you're not nice to people, it might come back to you. Treat them how you want to be treated.
The outside human being is the cover of the book. The inside might be a very good story, but you would never know if you didn't get past the first page.
Where you come from makes you special.
I feel everyone's equal because I'm a girl. That doesn't mean I'm weaker.
We're all the same species. We all have the same things inside of us.
I don't think color or race or ethnicity is much of a difference between people. I think all in common, we just want to be loved, we want to have a place to sleep at night, and we just want to have a great future. My hope for the future is to give everyone the same right and feel safe wherever they are.
I want everybody to turn good, and I hope nothing bad happens to anybody.
I hope you respect other people.
I hope that you won't be judged on how privileged and how much money you have. You're judged on who you are.
I hope that everyone will be nice to each other. And that's my hope.
So hopefully today that you can be kind to somebody and do something that's kind for somebody that maybe deserves it today, to actually have something new and something brand new to kind of help them out. A little act of kindness can go a long way in somebody's day. So at this time, let's take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Okay, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure you're standing and have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, and let's go out there. Let's have an act of kindness today. Let's spread the kindness around like it's confetti, and let's make sure that we're showing kindness to our friends, our teachers, and other staff. Have a great day.